Welcome dear students. Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. As you know that due to pandemic we are not in the current situation, we are not able to start the regular classes, we are not able to meet each other, but we are going to connect with each other through the online classes. And I am expecting that you all are watching the video carefully and doing the work sincerely in your classwork copy. Earlier, as we were in class 3, there was a copy assessment. This time also it will be there. So make sure you have to keep your copy neat and clean. Do the work given in the PDF properly as it is given in the PDF. Where the teacher has used blue pen, you have to use blue pen. Where the teacher has used the black pen, you have to use the black pen. And after completing one question, you have to draw the line by the blue color pencil. These all things you are knowing it, but just it is a reminder for you to how to keep your copy neat and clean. Clear? So what things you have to keep in your mind while completing the work? The questions are given in the PDF and some points to be remembered. You have to write the headings and chapter name, date, the date which you are doing. These all things you have to write by the black pen. Then entire content you have to write by the blue pen, and after completing one question, for example, if the question number 1 right number name is having 3 parts A, B and C, so after completing the third part you have to draw the line by the blue color pencil. It's not like that question number A you have done and then draw the line, and B you have done then draw the line, not like that. What you have to complete all 3 parts of question number 1 and then you have to draw the line by the blue color pencil. Clear? Till class 4 you are using the pencil, so it is easy to rub and do the work. But in class 5 you are going to start the work by the pen, so please make sure do not scribble the work. For example, if anything is wrong, just cut by the straight line. Do not use whitener and then proceed further. Okay? Make sure should not use the whitener. Clear? So today we are going to start with the chapter large number. The first chapter is large number. Before I will start this chapter, I just wanted to recapitulate what you have studied in class 4. In class 4 you have studied till the 6-digit number, that is the lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. There are 6 periods only. But in class 5 we are going to increase the number of periods and the digits will be bigger than the class 4. So class 4, what things we have studied? We are knowing the successor, we are knowing the predecessor, we are knowing the place value, we are knowing the face value, expanded form. These all things we have done. Just we will recapitulate all these things after this. So before I will go through the exercises, I just wanted to brief you about the 2 types of number system we are following. We are talking about the large number. So large number we are following 2 types of number system. One is Indian number system and another one is international number system. So I am going to explain you both one by one. So just going to start. The first one is, see, I made the place value chart. In this place value chart I took both the number together. This is the Indian place value chart. The upper one is the Indian place value chart and the down one is the international place value chart. Okay, so in Indian place value chart, the periods are divided into 4 groups: ones, thousand, lakh and crore. Okay, this is about the Indian place value chart. So how many periods are there? 4 periods are there. Okay, how many periods? 4 periods. But in international place value chart, the periods are divided into ones, thousand and millions. So how many periods? 3 periods are there. Okay, this is the recapitulation of the Indian place value system and the international place value system. What we have studied in class 4. Class 4 we have studied only till the thousand place. Okay. Now we are going to proceed with the lakh place. Now we are going to proceed with the this is 6 place, 7 8th and 9th. Clear? So the Indian place value system and international place value system, the first difference is in international there are less periods, and in Indian place value there are more periods. So if anybody will ask you how many periods are there in the Indian number system, there are 4 periods. How many periods are there in international place value system? There are 3 periods. Okay. Now, if we come to the Indian place value chart, the ones period is divided into 3 places. Okay. Ones, tens and 100. So ones period is divided into 3 places, and after that each period 1000, lakh and crores are divided into 2 places. 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So the Indian place value system, there are 4 periods. One period is divided into 3 groups, that is 3 places, and the rest of the periods, that is 1000, lakhs and crores, are divided into 2 periods, that is tens and ones and tens. Clear? Now come to the international place value system. In international place value system, all 3 periods are divided into 3 parts. Ones, tens, 100. This is the ones period. Then 1000. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, then million, 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So if anybody will ask you about the Indian number system, what things you have to keep in your mind? Indian system is having 4 periods. Each period except one's period is divided into 2 parts, and one's period is divided into 3 parts. In international place value system, there are 3 periods. Each period is divided into 3 places, ones, tens and 100. I hope this is clear to you all. Now how to read it? Okay. If we are talking about Indian number system, it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So if I have to read out this name, so what I will write down: 9, 4, 6, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 7. This is Indian number system. So first period is having how many places? 3 places. So we will put the comma after 3 places. Then 1000 is having 2, then 2. So the number is, take one thing and write out its period. So first number is 94. So 94 crore, 63 lakh, 24,157. Got it? So first thing what you have to do, you have to write the number, then mark the period. Okay. Now come to the international number system. The same number I am going to do: 946 324 157. See, each period is having 3 places, so I will divide it into the group of 3. So the number, same process, read the number and read the this period, which period it is. So 946,324,157. So it is very easy to read out the name or read out the number if you are putting the comma. Either it is international number system or it is Indian number system. Marking of the period is very much important. Clear? Especially in case of large number, because when you are moving after 5 digits, the number are getting big and it's difficult to read it immediately if there is no marking of the period. But now period is marked, so what you have done, you have divided the number 94 in one period, so 94 crore, 63 lakh, 24,157. I hope it is clear to you. So now I am going to start the second topic, that is place value and the face value. Okay. So when we are going to start the place value, I will explain you through the example. First I am taking the digit 4. Okay. And you have studied about the place value in class 4 also. What is place value? Place value is the of any digit is the position of the digit in the number. So we can say the place value of any number is digit multiplied by its place. Clear to you? So here I am going to begin with this one. So our first number is 4 and 4 is at the 10 crore place. So I will write down 4 multiplied by 10 crore. the number will be 40 crore. Okay. Now the second number is 5. It is at the 1 crore base. So we will write down 5 multiplied by 1 crore is equal to 5 crore. Then there is 6 multiplied by 10 lakh. It will be 60 lakh. 3 multiplied by 1 lakh. It will be 3 lakh. Similarly, we will follow the same pattern here. You know the 5 digit number, so it will be 90,000. Then next will be 8. It will be 8,000. Then next 400. Then followed by so on. So 400, then 30, then 7. Okay. Now come to the face value. Face value of any number is number itself. Okay. So 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 3, this is 9, 8, 4, 3 and 7. Got it? Now this is place value. The digit multiplied by its place it will give you the place value, and face value of any number is the number itself. Okay. Often children are making mistake in exam also. I saw that thing. That if anybody will ask, please write down the anybody will ask you write down the place value of 3, then they will write down there 1 lakh. No dear. The place is 1 lakh, but place value is 3 multiplied by 1 lakh, that is 3 lakh. Okay. If anybody will ask you place value of 9, it is not 10,000. It is 9 multiplied by 10,000, that is 90,000. You need not to show this process. It is just to explain you. In exam when come write down the place value, you need not to show the process of this 4 multiplied by 10 crore and like that. But you should know how this 40 crore came. That is why I explained you like this. Okay. In exam it will come, you have to write directly 4 is there at the 10 crore place, so it will be 40 crore. Clear to you? Now come to the face value of any number is the number itself. Now what is expanded form? Okay. We have seen that we have written the place value of each digit. Each digit place value we have written. When we will add these digits, we will get the expanded form. So sum of place value of the number, place value of the digits is called the expanded form. Got it? So we have to write the expanded form of 45 crore 63 lakh 98,437. There are 2 ways to write. First one, you have to write the full digits, that is with the 0 expanded form, as we have explained the place value just now. Or second one in the numbered form. I am going to explain you both one. So first is 45. So 40 crore plus 5 crore plus 60 lakh plus 3 lakh. These all are the place values. I am just going to add it. Plus 90,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 7. This is the one way. Okay. And second way is, I am doing the same thing. What we have to do, this is 40,000. It means 410,000. So we can write, 40 crore. So it will be 4 10 crore plus 5 crore, so 5 crore plus 60 lakh, so 610 lakh plus 3 lakh, so 3 lakh plus 90,000, so 910,000 plus 8,000, so 8,000 plus 400 plus 3 tens plus 7 ones. Children, while writing the ones, please write down the O like this. Don't write the O like this because it will look like 70. Okay? So always write down O as like this. Okay? You have to make O like this. Okay? So this is the one way to write the expanded form and this is the another way to write the expanded form. I always suggest if in exam the question will come, you always try to follow this process. Why? Because in hurry-burry, if I will miss 1 0 from here or 1 0 from here, my all answer will turn to 0. You will get 0 marks for that. You will not get any marks. Got it? So, and it is natural in exam, sometimes you are in tension or some other problem. So you can make mistake like this. If you are sincere, you will never make mistake. But I am just giving an exception. So in this process and this process, both processes are correct. But I always suggest the student to follow this process because in this process, chances of mistakes are there. Okay. So please do this one and then and this one if you are doing, there are less chance of mistakes because if you are doing only you have to write the spelling here. Got it? Short form or spelling. Now, just now I explained you the expanded form for the Indian number system. Now I am going to explain you the expanded form for the international number system. The number is written here in the Indian number system. So, what we have to do, we have to write the number into the international number system. So, international number system is each period is having 3 digits, 3 places. Okay? Now, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay? So, first I will write down the place value of this number. This will be 4 million, 400 million, plus 50 million, plus 6 million, plus 300,000, plus 90,000, plus 8,000, plus 400, plus 70, plus 1. This is the expanded form of the international number system. Process is same. Okay, what we have to do, digit multiplied by its place, and place is here 100 million, 10 million, 1 million, 300,000, 90,000 and 8,000. Clearly? So, the same thing I am telling you. Here if we are doing like this, there are chances of mistakes. We can make mistake by skipping any 0 in hurry-burry. So, the another way is, you have to write down like this. The 400 million plus 510 million plus 6 million plus 300,000 plus 910,000 plus 8,000 plus 400, 7 tens and 1 ones. Okay, so these are the two ways in international number system also, as well as in the Indian number system also. Both the process I explained you, place value, face value, expanded form in Indian number system and international system. Okay. Now we are proceeding to the next topic. That is the comparing number. Okay. So first I will start with the comparing number of 6 digit or 7 digit. I am taking a number 78 million 93 lakh 13,903. Then 23 lakh 57,024,035. The small number, it is easy to check. We can see the digits at ones place, tens place, 100 place, and we can do it easily. But if it is a big number, we have to check at every place. First, we will always start with the greatest place. Okay, greatest place means the first digit from the left side. If we are proceeding from this side, the first digit is ones place. But when we are proceeding from the left side, the first digit is the greatest place value. Okay, either it is 9-digit number, 7-digit number, 5-digit number, whatever the number, we are always start looking from the first digit from the left side. Please keep in your mind. Okay, so I will check the first digit, that is this 2 and 7. So clearly it is visible that 70 crore is greater than 20 crore. So what we will see, we will make a symbol of greater than. It means this number is greater and this number is smaller. Clear to you? Next I am starting with the topic. Question is 21093,786 21093,785. As I told you, we will always start from the first digit of the left side. So if you see the first digit of left side, both are same. This is 2 crore, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, 93,000, 93,000. Then we will move for the ones place, one period, that is 786, and here it is 785. So we can see that ones place is smaller than the ones place of this number. So here it is 6 and here it is 5. So again, this is the greater number. Okay. The third example I am taking here. The third example is 60,80,437 and here 42,79,310. So again, this 42 lakh is greater than this 16 lakh. So we'll put the symbol of this. So this is the greater number and this is the smaller number. This is about the comparing the number. Sometimes the exam, the questions is coming like this also. 16,80,437. 16,80,437. Which sign we have to use? Put the correct sign. Smaller than, less than, greater than, or equal. So here we will put the equal sign. Clear? Now we are proceeding to the ascending and descending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest, and descending order means greatest to smallest. Means we have to arrange the number in such a way so that we will get the ascending order and descending order. So number is given here 4 crore 29 lakh 63,540, 4 crore 29 lakh 63,529, 4 crore 29 lakh 63,499 and 4 crore 29 lakh 63,600. These are the numbers given here. We have to arrange in the ascending order and the descending order. I am going to explain both. First, I am starting with the ascending order. Okay, ascending order is smallest to biggest. So, smallest number, if you will see here, crore place, lakh place, and thousand place are same in all four numbers. Okay, but if I will see the hundred ones period, 540, 529, 499, and 600. So you can see that 499 is the smallest number. So you will write down here 1. This is the easy way I am teaching you how to do an exam. Okay. Then the second smallest number after 499 is 540. 529. This is the second one. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Now you got this their order. If you have to write in ascending order, we will arrange from 1, 2, 3, 4, and if it is descending order, we will arrange it 4, 3, 2, 1. In exam also, since it is a big number, this is the easy way. In question paper also you can mark by the pencil to get it, and afterwards you have to rub it. Okay. So what is there? First I will write on the number 429. 4 crore 29 lakh 63,499. This number is smaller than the second one, so we will put the sign of less than. Then 4 crore 29 lakh 63,529. This number is smaller than the third one, so we will put the less than sign. And then 4 crore 29 lakh 63,540. Again, same thing. This is the last one. I am writing here. 4 crore 29 lakh 63,600. You might be thinking, why I am putting this less than sign, why I am not putting comma. Children, till 4-digit number or till 5-digit number, it's fine. We can put comma to differentiate it. But since it is a big number and there are so many commas for the period also, and if you again I will put this comma here, then you can see here it is different to distinguish the number, which is the number and which is the period. You will get confused, okay, if you write so close. So avoid using this comma while writing the ascending and descending order. Please put only this less than and greater than sign. Okay. If same thing I have to write in descending order, what we will do? The descending order is first I will write down the last number, that is 4 crore 29 lakh 63,600. It is greater than 4 crore 29 lakh 63,540. This one is greater than 4 crore 29 lakh 63,529. And this one is greater than the first one, that is the 4 crore 29 lakh 63,499. Okay. So while writing the ascending order, we have to put the symbol of less than, and while writing the descending order, we have to put the symbol of greater than. The next topic I am going to start is successor and predecessor. Successor, as the word is saying, succeed. Okay, so succeeding number or successor means just after the given number, proceeding towards the forward side. Succeed. Predecessor means precede, पीछे जाना, backward. Okay, successor is moving forward and predecessor is moving backward. Successor means just after the given number. And you know how to get the successor of any number? By adding 1 to the given number. And 1 where we have to add? At the ones place always. Got it? Whether it is a 2-digit number or 5-digit number or 9-digit number, that doesn't matter. 1 should be always add to the ones place. Similarly, in case of predecessor, subtracting, how we will get the predecessor of any numbers? By subtracting 1 from the given number. Got it? So keep in your mind very easily, successor is coming from succeed, that is just after the number, and predecessor is coming, preceding means just before the number, just before, -1, just after, +1. Got it? So I am giving you example of any number. I am taking a number here, 2,58,96,327. Okay? I will take out the successor of this number just before. Okay? So it means 320, successor is just after 327. Which number is come after 327? So it will be 2,58,96,328. And which number will come just before this? This is 2,58,96,326. Just after, just before. How we got this? Here we have added +1 and here we have subtracted -1 to the given number. Got it? Now, sometime exam the questions they are asking, what is the successor of greatest 5-digit number? Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. When we will add 1 to this number, what we will get? We will get 1 lakh. So, what is the successor of greatest 5-digit number? It is smallest 6-digit number. What is the predecessor of smallest 7-digit number? It is the greatest 6-digit number. Got it? So, these are the small things which will come in the competition also if you are going to apply for some Olympiad or these things. So, these type of questions are arising there. What is the successor of greatest 7-digit number? What is the predecessor of a smallest 4-digit number? These type of things are there. Okay. So, successor and predecessor is clear to you. Successor means just after the number, by adding 1 you will get this. And predecessor means just before the number, by subtracting 1 we will get the answer. The next topic is forming smallest and greatest number. Okay, I am taking one number here. The number is 5, 4, 3, 7, 8, 6, 2, 1. Okay. Now, do you know what is the difference between number and digits? It is same as alphabets and words. While combining alphabets together, we are getting the words. Similarly, while adding the digits, we are getting the, means putting the digits properly in order, we are getting the numbers. Okay, so digit and numbers, these two are different things. Now, what children are doing in exam, if they are getting this number and they have to write the greatest or smallest number, for example, the first of all I will explain you how to write the greatest number and how to write the smallest number. Okay, here I am writing the greatest number and here I am writing the smallest number. To write the greatest number, we have to follow the descending order. Okay, always keep in your mind, we have to arrange the digits in the descending order. So, descending order is bigger to smaller. Which is the biggest number here? It is 8. So, I will take 9 here. It is 9. Then 8. Then 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Got it? This is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear to you? Now, the smallest number we have to write, what we will do? We will write on the, arrange into the ascending order, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I arrange in this is the ascending order and this is the descending order. Now what children are doing? They are arranging it in the correct way, but after that they are putting the comma after every number. And when you are putting the comma after every number, it means you are writing the digit, it is not a number. Now question is there, why if I am putting the comma after some gap, for example 1 tens 100 comma, 10,000 10,000 comma, lakh 10 lakh comma, then why not it is digit? Because this comma is to just differentiate between the places. But when we are putting comma after every digit, you are not differentiating between the places. You are not putting it for the places. Okay? So never ever put the comma after every digit when you are writing the number, forming the number by smallest number or greatest number by given digit. Okay? Always put the comma to mark the period, and you have to put comma to mark the period. If you will not put the comma, then also it is wrong. Clear? So we have to mark the period and you will get the answer. So to write the greatest number, we have to arrange the number in the descending order, and to write the smallest number, we have to arrange the number in the ascending order. So this is all about the first topic, that is the Indian and international number system. Second topic is place value, face value, expanded form. Then the successor, predecessor, comparing number, ascending order, descending order, and forming of the number. This all things contain your exercise 1A and exercise 1B. The questions are given in the PDF. Some are solved form and some are unsolved form. So as it is given in the classwork PDF, the same way you have to write in the classwork copy. And again I am repeating my sentence, you are going to get the copy assessment marks this time. And neatness of the copy and neatness of your handwriting is very much important, because you are getting the marks for that also. Got it? So please keep your copy neat and tidy, cover it properly. After completing one question, draw the line by the blue color pencil. I already explained you how to do that one question. Question number 1 is carrying 3 parts, A, B, C. So after completing third part, that is the C one, you have to draw the line by the blue pencil. In every PDF, I have just solved one question and 2 I have given as a homework for you. Please do like that only. Don't jumble from the question number 1 to question number 3, and the order should be same. It will be also going to be attested. Okay, we are going to check that part also. How you have done the work, how much neatness is there, everything. Clear to you? All the best. Complete the work in the classwork copy.